Hey gang, welcome in. Probably going to be a short video. I'm making another bench, if you will. And this is just a prototype, kind of making it up out of my head as far as the measurements and layout and size of the seat and size of the table. I'll show you in just a second on what I've got sketched out. I'm going to build this thing, take it out to the woods, use it, setting it out to where my hopefully my future cabin will be, and just going to try it for a couple weeks. I know I'll have to make some adjustments to it, so I'll show you what I got planned out. We'll build it, and then give me a couple weeks and I will build a final version of it along with the cut plans and materials and estimated cost as of today, mid-April. Here's what I got planned. A 28-inch seat width, 23 deep, 18 inches on the table. But I'm going to swap this. I'm going to bring my table over because I'm right-handed. It's going to be 46 inches long. I think that will work. Not 100% sure. My back supports layout, and I'll show you in the video on how I cut those. And my legs and some rough draft of my cuts and boards that I will need. But don't really pay attention to this. Like I said, I'll have a final cut list, size, material, and estimated cost as of today, mid-April 2026. So thanks for jumping in and watching, and let's get started and see what we can come up with as a rough draft single seat with a table. All right, have the frame put together. I came in here, I don't know if this will pick up or not, but I came in here about 6 inches from here, from the edge, back 6 inches, and then I went down 1 inch, drew a straight line and cut an angle there. I'm trying to get the bench so that whenever you sit on it, you lean back just a little bit. Seems like it'll be a little more comfortable that way. So this may not work, just trying that angle. I may, on the one that I'm going to put on the front porch, I'm going to make it a little nicer. So I may do a little curve in there, you know, for your seat bottom. But we'll see how this works out, because this is simple. Now my legs are done. These are the 23.5s. These are 23. And they'll sit like that. And I'm going to attach the frame of it 16 inches up from the bottom. And it seems to be pretty good height. So let's do that right quick. There we go. Okay, there's the frame, the legs. I put the long runner on the inside. I came up 16 inches here. By the time we put the decking board on, we'll be close to 17 inches. That's, to me, that's not a bad height. The slope goes back, brought up to 16 inches. And now I want to come in here and put a cross member in. I didn't cut one for that. So I need another 20 inches in here, and we'll come off 28 inches and 18 inches, but we'll have the table on the right-hand side. So the seat's going to be here, table's going to be here. Let me cut the cross member here, and we will put that in, and then we'll cut our back supports. So here's how we're going to do our support backs. We're going to come up 4 inches. Trying to get to where everybody can see. So that's 4 inches. We're going to come to the opposite corner and come in 1.25 inches. And I'm going to connect from here back. We'll take a straight edge. And I'm going to go connect those. And I'm going to cut that out. I got my first back support that's going to hold my back pieces up. This is the 4 inches, and that's the 1.25 inches. Let me get an angle over here so you can see. By taking that out, you can see how the back of the bench is going to be tilted backwards. So tilted back a little bit, and that gives you a lean back in it. Hopefully it's going to sit much more comfortable than a straight back. All right, change number 2. Change number 1 was I said that I was going to put 3 legs in here, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I was going to put a leg here so I'd have support in the middle. But my 2-seat benches are 54 inches. This is only 46, so I don't think I need a 3rd leg in there, nor do I think I need support coming down. That's change number 1. Change number 2 is instead of putting the back support over here in a corner, I moved it to the inside of the seat. This is going to be my seat. This is going to be my table. So now I think all I have to do is have a support coming up in each corner and one going through, and then I'll be able to put my table through here, I think. So like I said, this is out of my head. So once I get this one built, I can sketch it up and have it ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build 2 supports here and one going across. And okay, got my center pieces in. Let me get everything. All they are is just short to come up to be level with my armrest on that side so that my table and everything will be. And all I did was put my level up there and brought this up until it's level. I've got one little piece right there I'm going to grind down because it's sticking up, corner sticking up. So from here, let me get this out of the way. Sorry about the camera, but from here, I'm going to go ahead and put my table in, and then I'm going to come over here and put my seat in, and then put my backing. Wherever my seat falls, I'm going to try to work, I think 3 or 4 that goes in there all the way up to the top. So after that, we'll be done. So give me just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with it. First draft. I think there's a couple things I'm going to do to it. One, because I put this armrest here, this is 1 inch higher than my table. So I'm going to raise these 2 legs up 1 inch. And I think, like I said, I've set in it, and I think the 28 inches is over. I could cut 2 or 3 inches off of it, I think. It wouldn't have a bit of problem. And the 18 inches, I'll probably leave the 18 inches. I'm going to take it out in the woods and where I'm going to set it and use it for a week or so, and then I'll make some adjustments. But if you want to see where I'm going to take it, hang on. I'm going to grab my side by side, and then we'll take it out in the woods. If not, thanks for watching, and in a couple weeks I'll probably make another one and make my adjustments with it, and I'll have a dedicated detail list, cut list for you. So if you want to go out to the woods with me, hang on. If not, I'll see you later. Thanks. So that bench has been outside for probably 3 years now. Same design, but just the one I built here, I wanted a little table with it. There you go. I'll set it somewhere around here, but for the time being. Now this place got a big brush pile, but I'm going to build my cabin right here, and then I'm going to build it. I'm going to get all of this debris here cut up and cleaned up, and my view is going to be right through there. I'm going to undercut. The clip line goes here and then it goes down. So once I get everything undercut, should be good to go. All right guys, thanks for watching. Give me a couple weeks and I'll figure out adjustments I want to do on that bench with the table, and be making another one.